What up, YouTube? So I made another video. It also does not have much editing done to it. I don't, the last video had really shit sound quality. I don't know how to fix that. Hopefully it's better this time. I'm gonna try and figure something out, but yeah, I'll be live on Twitch if you guys want to come check that out if there's anybody that sees this video. But yeah. Alright, enjoy. See ya. Okay, what the fuck's going on here? We get a new car? Oh shit. No, we're playing a tweaker. There's the data tweaker now. Is this the dad? I honestly can't tell if this is the dad or not. Okay, well. I don't fucking know.
The zone is sectioned off, sir. Please step back.
Agent Norman Jayden, FBI?
No, it's not
the
the
dad.
dad.
Or something, Mr. Jayden?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, sorry, I was just thinking about all the meth in my pocket.
Check. You can pass.
I'm geeked to the gills right now,
I'm
man.
looking for Lieutenant Blake. Is he around?
I saw him arrive earlier. He's here somewhere.
Thanks.
Alright. I don't know, bro. Why don't you do a little bump? You seem a little fucking shaky. Why don't you do something to take the edge off? Oh, dude, he's got the fucking meta glasses.
Video memo recording, Agent 47023, Norman Jayden, Tuesday, October 4th, 2011. Time is 8:14 a.m.
Yeah, once I pull out the Gimp glove, it's over, dude. This Gimp glove gives me magic powers. Oh. Actually does. Yep. Well, we're at a train station. It's probably a homeless man.
Unrelated to the investigation.
Homeless man with no criminal record. We need to find that guy immediately.
I've got to find Lieutenant Carter Blake.
Wow, there's footsteps all over this place.
Hey! You there! What are you doing?
Lieutenant Blake? I'm Agent Norman Jayden from the FBI. I went by your office this morning. They told me you'd be here.
Now, if you're looking for rain, dead bodies, and highways, you come to the right place. Mike, will you tell that asshole with the bulldozer to stop for 5 minutes? I can't hear myself think here.
Right away, Lieutenant.
Well, are you coming, Jayden?
I don't know, you're gonna keep talking about this story like you're some fucking mafia guy?
What happened?
Hey, give me the
taking his dog
gabagoo.
for a piss found a body about 6 o'clock this morning. We don't know much more right now. Based on what we've seen, looks like the work of the origami killer.
The organic
Who's on the
killer?
corner?
There's
He's on his
two of
way,
them?
Lieutenant. We've been waiting for an hour, for fuck's sake.
Hello?
Any witnesses?
Yeah, I'm on
None
the
yet.
case.
Given the neighborhood, I'd be surprised if anybody saw anything.
Yeah, because we're in a bad neighborhood. so probably
Has the
not.
time of death been established?
Based on the rigor mortis, must be less than 6 hours ago. We should know more once the coroner has had a look. Tony, I don't want to see a single shit-stirring journalist within a mile of here. You got it?
Yes, Lieutenant.
Do we know the cause of death?
There are no marks on the body. Chances are he was drowned, like the others.
Oh.
Do you have any leads?
My men are going over the scene with a fine-tooth comb. If the killer left anything behind, we'll find it. Listen, I'm a little busy here. Why don't we discuss all this a little later, back at the office?
Oh, no problem. I understand. Do you mind if I have a look around?
Be my guest.
Okay.
Hey, Jaden, you come and see me if you find anything, okay? We're on the same team now.
Yeah, this guy's probably the organic killer. Or the origami killer, one of the two. I'm willing to bet. Let's put on the Gimp Club again. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we don't really need to do the stupid fucking cutscene again. Whoa, a puddle? I've never seen one of those before.
Some orchid pollen. The concentration of pollen in the air is quickly decreasing because of the rain, but it gets higher in the direction of the body.
Okay, well, why is it going this way then? Super genius.
Comment. The pollen particles disappear in the tall grass. It's probably the end of the trail.
Well, there's blood here.
Harry, comment. Traces of blood on the railroad track. The blood report indicates an advanced and long-lasting state of exhaustion.
Dude, we've already uncovered the murder.
Footprints continue just after the pollen trail. There's a good chance that they're the killers.
Well, no friggin' way. Where did this guy come from? I guess he just teleported, huh? Then he fucking jump off the overpass? Okay. What about this? Yep,
Harry, comment. Sample
it's
of no
dirt.
interest. Comes from one of the policemen present on the wasteland.
Well, it's a good thing we've got like 1,000,000 guys walking around here. Okay, I guess that's probably it. Let's get the fuck out of here. I don't want to be in the heavy rain anymore, dude. I'm Agent Meth Monkey, and I love meth. I'm gonna go into my car and fucking get lit. Drive around the city. Origami killer better watch out, dude, because I'm about to go on a 10-day bender. No sleep. Bro, get in the fucking car. Oh my goodness. It's great that this game has no run button either. I mean, if it did, it would definitely break it, because the fucking camera angles are so dog shit, but...
Harry, comment. The victim is lying on his back. No visible signs of violence. His face is covered with mud, like the other victims.
Yeah.
Superficial wound on the right thigh. Blood analysis suggests it could be post-mortem. Probably a scratch that occurred when the body was being moved. Small wound on the right thigh. And the blood is the same as on the tracks.
Whoa, he had origami.
A small origami figure in the right hand. Fingers were probably closed after the time of death. An orchid was placed on the victim's chest. The victim is Jeremy Bowles, declared missing 5 days ago. See reference file.
Okay, well, let's get the fuck out of here. I want to go home and
I'm heading
start
back to the
tweaking.
office. You staying?
Fuck no.
No, I've seen enough. I'm leaving too.
Why did it change the camera? I was walking out of here. New Jersey. Okay, so we're in New York. Yeah? Is this New York or? I don't know. I don't know if this is like New York, New Jersey. I feel like it doesn't fucking rain this much though, dude. In New York or New Jersey. That's why I thought this was like a West Coast place. Yeah, let's get out of here. You unlocked a new bonus. Hell yeah, dude. Um,
A
butterfly.
butterfly,
Wolf.
a wolf's head,
Crab.
a crab,
I don't know, fucking Grim Reaper, dude.
death, death,
The hell is this?
I have the results of your MRI scans. Everything seems to be normal. There is no physical damage from the accident.
Sick. See you later.
However, I am worried about your psychological condition. I know it's not easy, but you've got to start over, Ethan. You're not responsible for what happened.
You ever
It's my
heard of
fault Jason's
Fortnite?
dead. He'd still be alive if I'd been looking out for him.
It was an accident.
Sadness.
Accidents happen every
Wow.
day.
Who would
You
have
can't blame
guessed?
yourself forever for your son's death. How is Sean?
Fucking retarded? I don't know, can I say that? Disappointment, maybe.
I know he's disappointed in me. I'm not the father I used to be. He's a great kid, you know. He deserves better.
And what about you, Ethan? What do you feel?
I feel like playing Fortnite.
I feel sorta anesthetized. As
I don't
if
even
none
know
of
what
this
that
was
fucking
real.
means. It just means like you're asleep.
Sometimes I tell myself this whole thing is just a nightmare and that I'll wake up at any moment.
Okay, let's go, dude. I don't give a fuck
Is there
about this.
something else you wanted to tell me, Ethan?
Not really. Oh yeah, I'm schizophrenic.
Have there been any cases of split personality developing after concussion? Like people doing
You
things
can
but having
break
no
the
memory of what they've
camera.
done. Like somebody else had been doing them.
We know that in certain
Yeah,
cases, a violent
yeah.
shock to the brain
I'm
can cause serious
schizophrenic. I'm just
psychological
staring at the
disturbances,
wall.
like schizophrenia, for example. That's the end of this session. We'll continue this conversation next week. You were lucky, Ethan. It's very rare to survive such a traumatic accident.
Luck
I
didn't
don't
have
exactly
anything to
feel
do
lucky.
with it. I just gotta watch out for guys like Ethan. An inch of rain. Jesus fucking Christ.
Do you want to eat something?
Wow.
How did things go at school today?
This kid's a real blast.
Teacher yelled at me for being late again. She's gonna send me home the next time it happens.
I'm sorry about that, Sean.
Next time, we'll really pull it together, okay? Aren't you gonna go play with the other kids?
I
Fuck
don't
no.
feel like it.
Hey, just take this kid home. Like,
Is something the matter, Sean?
you've already lost one, bro. Why are we out in public
No,
with a fucking
I'm
other?
alright.
Yeah.
A boomerang? You know how to use it?
No, not really. I can never make it come back.
Can I give it a try?
Alright. We just did a boomerang. Oh, hell yeah, dude. I gotta do this shit again. Whatever, made the mopey ass little kid happy.
Whoa! You did it, Dad!
Do you want to give it a try?
I won't be able to do it.
Oh, come on, let's try together. Now, the main thing is to get the right position at the beginning. Now, you gotta
This
throw
kid's
it
gonna
straight
get stuck
and
in
a
the
little to
fucking
the right.
tree.
Now, throw it!
Aw,
I did it!
you got
I
it.
did it,
Wow.
Dad!
Good job, Sean. See? That wasn't so hard.
So now what?
I'll find something else to do with him.
Such as what? Sitting on the fucking bench? No.
Sean used to
Seesaw.
love playing on the seesaw.
Oh, okay.
I haven't been on a seesaw in a long time.
What do you think?
Yeah.
There's nothing worse than being on one of these things with a friend that was heavier than you, and them just holding you hostage at the top of one of these
Come on,
fucking
Dad, make me
things. Like it, bro. That shit's like, how they drop your ass. Alright, how long we gotta... Yeah, dude, that shit, that's what sucked. If they'd have it maxed out, bro. Oh, fucking what, dude?
He seems to be having fun. It's been a long time since I've seen that smile.
Let's go on the
What about that
merry-go-round.
merry-go-round? I bet I can push you so fast you won't be able to stay on it.
Great.
Yeah.
Go on, Dad, as fast as you can.
Doug, I don't know if I can get much faster than this. Hell yeah, dude. What a well-oiled machine.
Whoa. I think my head is spinning.
Good training for astronauts, though.
Wow, what a good dad. Let's get out of here.
Looks like rain's coming. I think we better go.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I thought this kid was just about to run off into the street and get hit by another car. Or a different car, but other
You know,
kid.
sometimes I remember before. I mean, when Jason was still here. Sometimes I wish everything could just be the way it was before.
Me too, Sean. Me too.
Yeah. Well, shit happens, Sean. Let's get the fuck out of here.
Hey, Dad, can I have a ride on the carousel? Can I?
Sure. Go pick a horse and get on. I'll get a ticket.
Yep. Is this where you get the tickets at?
Sean looks happy. I wish I could see him like that more often. I want to get back to being the kind of father I used to be.
Yeah, we'll see, buddy.
One, please.
That's $1.
So, when does something exciting happen? Of course. He just goes schizophrenic again. Uh-huh. What the fuck? Sean. Oh no, maybe he's this way. Sean! Yeah, bro, he ain't gonna be there still. Why is the carousel still spinning though? That's fucking weird. Alright, bro. I get it. He lost his other fucking kid. This guy fucking sucks, bro. Bro, he is not gonna be here. If there's one thing I can guarantee you, it's that he is not in this house. Yeah, dude, you fucked up big time. Now some fucking freak show probably has your kid, an even bigger freak show than you. Oh, dude, his kid got origamied. Uh-oh. Dude, the kid got killed by the origami guy. The origami killer. Oh shit, dude, we're in the police station.
Do you think it's gonna take long?
No, he should be finished soon.
God, I just want to do some math. Or whatever that blue crystal-y substance he had in a vial was. It's okay, he can do VR math. Yep, this doesn't make you look like a fucking lunatic. If you were confidently able to do this in public, dude, you're fucked. Alright, where the fuck is this guy, bro? Don't they know that I'm like an FBI agent or whatever? I've got the GIMP glove, dude. Oh, there he is.
I'm off, Charlene. I'll look at the reports later. I'll cancel all appointments for this afternoon.
Okay. Oh, Captain. Agent Norman Jaden from the FBI is here.
Jaden, of course. We've been expecting you. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Do you mind tagging along? We can talk as we walk.
Yeah, of course. I wanted to introduce myself before getting started, but perhaps there's a better time.
No, it's fine. I just have
Is
to get
it?
to the press conference.
Um,
We have them every day now. Believe me, it's not always easy finding something to tell them. Fortunately, today we have some news. Have you met Lieutenant Blake yet?
Yeah, we met this morning.
He has his own methods, but he's a good cop. I'm sure you'll get on well together. Do you know how to tie a knot in a necktie?
Jesus
I
fucking
guess.
Christ.
To be frank with you, I could have done without the FBI on this one, but the press are all over us. This origami killer case crept up on us, and it's fast becoming a national concern. There are
Yeah, probably
hundreds
because this
of
guy's
killers
killed
on this
like a
planet,
million
but,
kids in a
this
week.
guy is exotic. He leaves flowers and origami figures. Work that one out. Then the press get onto it, and we suddenly become the center of the universe.
I'm here to arrest a serial killer. With all due respect, sir, the rest of it, it's none of my business.
Yeah, I just want to get this over with so I can buy
No.
some more meth.
Of course not.
Start geeking
All
and
I'm
tweaking.
asking is that you make progress, and fast. The press want a perpetrator, and we're gonna have to serve him up on a silver platter.
On a silver platter, you say?
Not bad.
Yeah, you're welcome, fucking dipshit.
Oh, go see Charlene. She'll show you to your office. Check in on the press conference if you're interested. It'll
I
give
really
you an
could
idea
care
of the
less.
political climate around here.
Thank
I want to
you,
get to
sir.
killing people
Welcome
and
to the
stuff.
club, Jaden.
I should get Perry's assistant to show me my office. I can't wait to get to work.
Said no one fucking ever.
I saw Blake when I arrived. Maybe I should go talk to him.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe you should start digging in your butt. Disgusting. I don't know what the fuck you expected. Can't imagine the FBI has much better coffee. What's up, bitch?
Nice watch.
Oh, it's the present we offer to our new lieutenants. We bought the same model each year for the past 20 years for each promotion. It optimizes everybody's time, and it's the kind of thing that always goes down well. You can contribute to our fund if you like. We're still a few dollars short.
Nah.
Sorry, I don't have any change.
No problem. Maybe next time round.
Captain Perry said you could show me to my office?
Yes, of course. Follow me.
I feel like that's gonna bite me in the ass, dude. Oh, nice. Right in the corner. Wowee.
This is my office?
That's where I was told to take you. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
Yeah, good thing I didn't give you guys any fucking money for a watch. You guys are dicks.
Okay, time to work.
Oh, my fucking eyes itchy, dude. Time to work. Yeah, I can't sit down on my own. I have to do all this shit. That's just very ineffective and knocks everything onto the floor right beside you. Okay, dude. Now we can sit down. Oh, no, I need my fucking gamer goggles.
Step 1. Change the office.
Yep. Can I, like, see what they look like? What's the water one? Yeah, this looks like dog ass. This one doesn't look bad. The underwater one was not a good look. Fucking space, dude. Maybe space will be cool. Nope, we're just on Mars. I want to be up in the clouds. Okay, you know what? But this one, like, kind of works the best. No, it doesn't. That shit looks like Halo in the background. We'll just go with this one. Okay, you don't need to do the fucking spin around move every time. That's good. Map. Let's look at the map. Okay, cool. Environment? No, that's... You have less of a fuck about that. Files. Open.
8 victims in the last 3 years. All boys, aged between 9 and 13. No signs of violence. The victims disappear from public places in broad daylight.
I don't know, I'd argue that drowning
No one
someone
notices anything.
is a little violent. It's a little fucked up.
Bodies are found 3 to 5 days later.
Just me.
Drowned. In rainwater.
Geoanalysis.
The killer has a
Shit,
large
dude.
comfort zone. He gained confidence rapidly and moved away from his base. This won't make the geoprofiling any easier.
Okay. Oh wait. Analyze.
There is always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found. And all the victims disappeared in the fall.
So there's not really anything that we fucking know. Let I open up this one.
Always the same ritual. An origami in the hand, an orchid on the chest. The victims have always been dead for less than 6 hours when they were found, which means they remained alive for several days before being drowned. Over 3,500 people questioned. Over 100 suspects interrogated. Not a single lead to go on.
Damn. Well, who's buying all the fucking origami papers in town? I don't know.
The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He is intelligent, calm, and determined. An organized type. He has a car. He's probably employed, but his work allows him free time.
So is that everything that I can do?
The killer is white, aged
Yeah.
between 30 and 45. He is intelligent, calm, and determined. An organized type. He has a car. He's probably employed, but his work allows him free time.
What sort of clues do we have?
Well, well. Looks like there's something
Clues.
new.
Where is this, I wonder? Analyze. This game's gonna take a fucking decade to finish.
Harry, comment. Tire tracks on the side of the road behind the railroad line. It may be the killer's car.
Maybe. Yeah, so there's just still no way to geo-analyze or whatever the fuck.
Just one origami store in town.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Let's go to the fucking origami store.
No prints or specific clues. Nothing much to go on. The orchid is a common species. It can be found at any flower shop.
Is it a specific orchid?
A common species. That doesn't help much.
Tire tracks, yeah, let's look at the tread of his tires. It's usually a pretty fucking good way of figuring stuff out. It's gonna have to be a certain size tire.
The killer's car is probably a Chevrolet Malibu 83.
Damn, dude, they just named her up to a real fucking car. Throw that in the map. No? Okay. Get that shit out of here. Close the gamer goggles. It's meth time. Starting to withdrawal, buddy. You need to do a little bump.
Here we go again. I better go wash my face.
Well, that's not gonna help you. I saw that big ass vial in your pocket, bro. You probably got like an 8-ball in
I need to
there.
take some. I'm gonna faint if I resist.
Well then fucking take some.
That's alright. I need it. I'll feel better.
Yeah, I don't know why you're trying to quit in the middle of an investigation. I've never seen a vial like that. Cold water's not gonna help your ass. He's just sitting in his office fucking tweaking out of his mind. Who the fuck's this guy? Oh, is this the dad?
This is Lieutenant Blake, Mr. Marsh. Could you please tell him what
Yeah,
happened?
It was this afternoon. I went to the park with my son, Sean. We played together for a while, And then he wanted to go on the carousel, so I put him on one of the wooden horses. And when I turned back, Sean had disappeared.
Exactly what time did you arrive at the park? Try to remember exactly, Mr. Mars. Every detail can be important.
It must have been about...
I don't fucking know.
5:30, I think. I'm not really sure.
What was your son wearing when he disappeared?
He was wearing a coat.
I don't fucking know. Like green, maybe?
A green coat. And a pair of pants.
Green pants.
How could Sean have disappeared without you even noticing? Weren't you right by the carousel?
Yeah, I went for a little walk.
I went for a short walk around the park, just for a few minutes. When I got back, the carousel had stopped, and Sean wasn't there.
You say you took your son to the park after school, but you didn't report him missing until 8:15. Why did it take you so long to contact the police?
Yeah, I'm schizophrenic.
I searched the whole neighborhood for him. I thought he couldn't have gone far.
All right. That's all the questions I have for now. You're free to go, Mr. Mars. We'll continue to look for Sean overnight. We'll contact you if we have any more questions.
Do you think the origami killer...
Listen, your son's probably just run off and he'll turn up in a couple hours.
But what if it is the origami killer?
Well, then your kid's dead.
Well, then we have about 4 days to find him alive.
Yeah, I hate to break it to you, Buster. You're gonna have no kids. Or he's gonna get double downgraded. He's gonna go from having children to kid to
Did they find something?
not even a dad anymore.
No, nothing yet, but they're gonna keep looking through the night.
Do they think it's the origami killer?
It's still too early to say, but it is a possibility.
Womp womp.
What happened, Ethan? How could you lose Sean like that? You should never have taken your eyes off him. I mean, for God's sake, how hard is it to keep your eye on a child in the park? Why did you leave him, Ethan?
Could you
Why?
imagine having two
Wasn't
kids
it
with
enough
someone
losing
and they
Jason?
get both your kids killed?
I'm sorry.
God, if one wasn't enough, dude. I'm on her side, dude. Ethan's a fuck up. Bro, you should just leave. You should go find your fucking kid, dog. Like, this is urgent. This is a goofy ass game, bro. Chocolate donuts. I love chocolate donuts.
Good evening.
Good evening to you, sir. Can I
I'm
help
gonna
you,
get
sir?
a pack of
Oh, I hope
Marlboro
so.
Reds.
My name's Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. I'm investigating the case of the origami killer. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
My son is dead, Mr. Shelby. I have nothing more to say.
Oh, don't be such a negative Nancy.
The killer has kidnapped another victim. A 10-year-old boy. Like your son, Risa. I have 4 days before we find his body on a deserted stretch of wasteland.
No one did anything to save my son.
Well, that's a little fucking selfish.
You would please to move along, sir.
You may know something that could help save other people's lives.
I was unable to save the life of my own son. I do not see how I could save the lives
Seems
of
like
other
there's a
people.
lot of incapable people here.
Oh, do you sell inhalers? I'm all out, and at least I won't go away completely empty-handed.
In the back of the store, to the right.
Thanks.
Okay, let's go get some inhalers. Wow. Someone threw chips all over the floor. What a fucking prick. Uh-oh.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, this guy's up to
looking
no
for
good.
something in particular?
Yeah,
Give me what you got in
I'm
the register.
actually shopping
Don't
for
fucking
money.
try anything. Open the register, you dumb fuck. Put the money on the counter. Shit, are you deaf or what? Are you gonna open that fucking register or not?
No, sir.
Dude, we gotta
You do not have the
remember
right
there's
to steal that
chips.
money from me. I have worked very hard to earn it. You cannot have it.
What did you say? Hey, you!
Uh-oh.
Come here!
Uh-oh.
I said come here now! Don't move!
I'm coming.
Hands up! Put your fucking hands up or I'll shoot!
Okay, let me put this hand up. Nice and slowly. Calm the
Don't
situation.
panic. Let's just stay calm. Nobody here wants to hurt you. We're all just gonna be cool, and everything will be all right.
Yeah. I'm cool, man.
Getting
Everything's
robbed by
gonna be all
Jesse
fucking
fucking Pinkman, dude.
My name's Scott. What about you? What's your name?
Andrew. My name's Andrew.
Just try and
Look,
reason.
It's not worth it. Put the
Reason
gun
with this
down
lunatic.
and just walk away.
You giving me advice? I'll give you some fucking advice.
You don't really want to shoot anybody, do you? I'm sure we can find a way out of this mess, right?
Yeah, let's get close enough to grab his gun.
Do
Effective.
you have anyone you care for in your life? A girlfriend, maybe? A family?
Yeah. A little girl.
Bro, I'm gonna fuck this guy up.
I got a little girl. Her name's Jessica.
What would Jessica think if she saw you here?
Bro,
Ask yourself. What would happen to her if
inch
things
a
go
little
wrong?
faster.
You haven't done anything serious yet. If you put the gun away, we'll forget about what just happened, and that will be the end. Just walk away.
Nothing serious. Shit, man. What the fuck do you think I'm doing here? Nice try. For a second there, you almost had me believing all your shit.
Beat his ass! Oh my god, I just saved that motherfucker. Oh, you're gonna get your ass beat, boy. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get my ass beat. Never mind. Fuck you, bitch. Damn. What a pussy.
Thousand thank you, sir. I don't know what would have happened if you had not been here.
At least I didn't come by for nothing. Have a nice day.
When my boy, Reza, disappeared, I received a letter with a locker ticket inside. Inside the locker, I found this box. I do not understand what it means, but I think it must be a sort of message from the man who took my son from me.
Can I?
Okay, what's in here?
please.
An
Take the box.
origami.
It can be of any use to you at all. It did not help me to save Reza, but maybe it will help you find the other little boy.
Yeah, maybe.
Mr. Shelby. I was beginning to think that there was no good to be found in this place.
There isn't.
I can see now that I was
Apparently it fucking rains really heavy here, so.